Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know, my name is Marilyn. Today I created this smoky wing look for you guys today, featuring a highlighter that I got sent to me by my good friend NAYA. Actually don't know her at all, but you know, I felt like I had to be one of those people, like my good friend sent this. But I'm actually obsessed with this. It's really beautiful, but we will see it and go more into that later. This whole video is going to be a voiceover because my AC had to be on while I was filming today because my room was literally a sweat box. I don't know if that's a thing, a sauna. So enjoy my voice, enjoy my face, and without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So first, I'm going to take a light, cool toned brown and buff that all over my crease with a fluffy brush. Now using a smaller fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and define my crease even further using a darker, cool toned brown shade. Using a flat brush, I'm going to go ahead and take the lightest cool tone brown shade and tap that all over my lid. Now I'm using a black pencil and just running that right along my lash line to create a little bit more definition. Ain't no other way that I would like to start my day. Put it on my chin, that's that FaceTime. Matching A and P's, we on the same time. This ain't what they wanted, but I did it like I'm big. Had faith in a nigga, but you been my little Kim. Now I'm taking a black eyeshadow using a small pencil brush, and I'm just dragging that right along the pencil to create more of a smoky effect on the lash line. In the streets, dear Lord, turn this shit into reality. Catch your vibe, let's just take our time, just relax your mind. And take it easy, don't have to decide. You do, I do, I don't have to be mine. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Using a black liquid liner, I'm going to line my lash line and create a small wing. Using what product is left on the brush, I'm gonna smoke out the wings. Now that the eyes are done, we're gonna move on to the face. Girl, I'm sick of the wind brushing your hair, how I brush it. And I hate how you poppin' all on the gram, but I love it. I'm so sick of love, girl, but I want you now, I want you. I'm so sick of you, but ready to flaunt you now, flaunt you. I could hold you down, I could hold you down, baby. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Using a black pencil, I'm going to line my waterline, and then I'm going to smudge and smoke that out using a black shadow. Yeah. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Now I'm using a light brown shade to blend it out. Next, I'm using my HOOLA bronzer to contour my face and my nose. And I've
remember saying I don't ever need it now. But I want you. Said I want.
Now I'm gonna apply my bronzer on my cheeks, forehead, and underneath my jawline.
I could hold you down, I could hold you down, baby. I'm jealous, I'm jealous.
And now it's time for blush.
I'm jealous.
So this highlighter right here is absolutely it, y'all. Let me tell you, this is the NAYA VISTA Oshun highlighter. It was sent to me to try out and I'm absolutely in love with it. It's definitely more of a glittery highlight, which I like on nights that I'm gonna go out and want to be extra. I'm obsessed with gold tone, so this right here, oof, everything.
I could hold you down, I could hold you down, baby.
Now we do lips.
I'm jealous.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and most importantly, share this video with everybody that you know. And last but never least, please always remember to check in on yourselves and check in on your loved ones. Your mental health is extremely crucial. Never ever forget that. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
I've got your legs.